In this video, I will show you how to delete a recipient from TapTap Send. To do this, just set it to the correct country for which your recipient is, and just enter an amount that you want to send. Now you don't actually need to send this, but from here click on Send, and now you can see I have this one person. Now if you go and click on the recipient that you have saved, from there you will then see this overview. Now where it says recipient, go and click edit, and now you can see you have no direct option to delete them. What you can go and do is just change them into someone else. So you can change the delivery method, then you can change their name, their location, their phone number, and everything else that you want to change. So you can change it into a real person, or you can just change it into a person that doesn't actually exist, whatever you want to change it to. And from there click next, and then from there gonna click OK. And then you will have updated that person. So now you will see that if I go back to the home screen right here and create a transfer, it is now not fully deleted, but it has now changed into someone else. So if you, for example, have a list that is too long with people that you are not sending money to, then what you can do is just every time you have a new recipient, swap them out with someone else, and that way your list will not increase. So that's how to delete a recipient from TapTap Send. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.